For all you people out there who want to know the tricks of how to create a great infinity mirror, so that you can get a nice reflection and keep it clean, there's one trick that you have to make sure that you do. Okay? It's very important. Makes a huge difference. Have this side to be whatever you want it to be. However, you gotta put mirror tint on the inside. If you don't put mirror tint on the inside, you're not gonna get that great illusion. That's the trick. Glass in mirrors with tint. That's the trick.